Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve extraordinary success while others struggle financially, no matter how hard they work? What sets these people apart? It's not luck, it's their mindset. Millionaires think differently, act differently, and most importantly, live differently. In this video, we'll uncover the 10 hidden secrets of millionaire mindsets that have helped self-made millionaires build their wealth. These are not just fancy concepts, but real, actionable habits that you can apply today. Let's dive in and uncover the mindset that can change your financial future. Secret number 1, they believe in abundance, not scarcity. One of the most powerful mindsets millionaires have is a belief in abundance. They don't see money or opportunities as limited. Instead, they believe that there's enough for everyone. When you have an abundance mindset, you see opportunities everywhere and are open to creative ways to make money. The belief that there is always more to be gained, no matter how much you have, fuels innovation and risk-taking. On the other hand, those with a scarcity mindset often feel limited, stuck, or fearful of losing what little they have, which holds them back from big opportunities. When you operate from a place of abundance, you're more likely to collaborate, innovate, and grow wealth without the fear of others taking it from you. It's this mindset shift that enables millionaires to think bigger and aim higher. Secret number 2, they don't work for money. Money works for them. Millionaires understand a simple truth. You can't get rich by working for money. Instead, they make their money work for them. They invest in assets such as real estate, stocks, and businesses that generate passive income. Instead of focusing on their paycheck, they focus on how they can grow their wealth over time. For example, Warren Buffett doesn't work for a salary. Instead, he invests, and his money continually grows. Millionaires work hard to create multiple income streams that earn money while they sleep. They also know how to maximize the returns on their investments, constantly looking for ways to put their capital to work efficiently. They don't just earn money. They create systems that allow money to flow in, regardless of whether they are actively working. Secret number 3, they focus on long-term goals. Millionaires don't get caught up in short-term gains or instant gratification. They focus on long-term wealth building. Whether it's investing in real estate stocks or building a business, they understand that lasting success takes time. This mindset helps them weather challenges and avoid making impulsive decisions that could harm their financial future. For example, Jeff Bezos didn't expect Amazon to make him rich overnight. He focused on building a sustainable, long-term business. His patience paid off when Amazon became a global powerhouse. Millionaires aren't swayed by quick wins. They're committed to playing a long game, focusing on what will pay off significantly in the future. Their consistent effort over time creates exponential growth that rewards them handsomely. Secret number 4, they set clear, written goals. Successful millionaires don't just have vague ideas about what they want to achieve. They have clear, written goals. These goals are specific, measurable, and time-bound. Millionaires know exactly what they are working towards and how they plan to achieve it. Studies have shown that writing down your goals increases your chances of achieving them by 42%. By clearly outlining their vision for the future, they stay motivated and focused. Even when obstacles arise, they break down their long-term goals into actionable steps and consistently work towards them. Setting goals helps millionaires measure their progress and recalibrate if needed. Having a clear blueprint also enables them to prioritize what truly matters and avoid getting distracted by less important pursuits. Secret number 5, they surround themselves with successful people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, and millionaires understand this deeply. They surround themselves with individuals who inspire, challenge, and push them to be better. Jim Rohn, the motivational speaker, once said that you become like the people you spend time with. Millionaires have a circle of people who elevate them, offering support, mentorship, and a different perspective. For example, Elon Musk surrounds himself with visionaries, while Oprah Winfrey built her empire by networking with powerful mentors. By surrounding themselves with successful people, they remain motivated and learn valuable lessons that can accelerate their own growth. If you're not intentionally choosing your circle, you might be letting negative influences creep into your mindset and holding you back from your potential. Secret number 6, they take calculated risks. Risk-taking is a big part of the millionaire mindset. However, millionaires don't just take random risks. They take calculated risks. They assess potential rewards and consequences, then make decisions based on thorough research and analysis. Millionaires understand that big rewards often come with big risks, but they never take a leap of faith without considering the possibilities. Take the example of Thomas Edison, who famously failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. Millionaires know that every failure brings them closer to their goal. They embrace the process and keep refining their methods until they achieve success. When you take calculated risks, you put yourself in a position to achieve breakthrough success while mitigating the risks of failure. Secret number 7. They invest and multiply their money. Don't just earn money. Make your money work for you. Millionaires understand the importance of investing to multiply their wealth. They invest in stocks, real estate, businesses, and other assets that generate passive income. The idea is to make their money earn money for them. They buy assets that appreciate in value or generate regular cash flow, ensuring that their wealth continues to grow. Millionaires avoid spending money on things that don't grow in value. If your money isn't working for you, you'll always have to work for money. They focus on building a portfolio of investments that provides long-term financial stability and multiple income streams. Whether it's through dividends, rent, or capital appreciation, investing wisely enables them to create a sustainable wealth-building machine. Secret number 8. They have multiple income streams. The average millionaire has 7 income streams, and they don't rely on just one source of income. They create multiple income streams through side businesses, investments, and passive income. Relying on just one job or one paycheck is risky because it ties your financial success to one source. Millionaires, on the other hand, make sure their wealth is coming from different directions. This diversification of income helps them weather tough times, while allowing them to reinvest and continue growing their wealth. They understand that the more diverse their income streams, the more financial security they have. For example, while running their primary business, they might also have stocks, rental properties, or a passive online business generating income in the background. Secret number 9. They stay disciplined and consistent. Consistency is key to success, and millionaires understand this better than anyone. They don't rely on short bursts of motivation. Instead, they are consistent in their efforts, day after day, year after year. Whether it's saving, investing, or working on a business, they know that small, consistent actions compound over time to create massive success. Millionaires focus on the long-term process, not just the immediate results. Kobe Bryant trained for hours before the world woke up, while Steve Jobs obsessed over every detail of Apple's products. This consistency and attention to detail are what set successful people apart. It's the ability to keep going, even when results are slow, that builds the wealth they enjoy. Secret number 10. They never stop learning and adapting. The world is changing fast, and millionaires stay ahead by constantly learning and adapting. They understand that knowledge is a competitive advantage. Successful people like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban never stop expanding their knowledge base. They actively seek out new industries, trends, and technologies to stay ahead. If you stop learning, you stop growing. Millionaires know that the more they know, the more opportunities they can seize. Learning new skills, exploring new industries, and adapting to change allow them to stay relevant and successful in an ever-changing world. Whether it's through reading, networking, or studying new trends, learning is a lifelong habit for the rich. These 10 hidden secrets of millionaire mindsets are not just reserved for the rich. They can be adopted by anyone who is serious about improving their financial future. Success is built on mindset, habits, and the actions you take every day. So, which one of these secrets are you going to start applying today? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on wealth building and success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.